watched videos how to dig through rock or hard surfaces. Trick I learned is to take the pilot bit off, and the auger won't center itself. It'll walk all over the place. So if you have some rock, get a starter hole and dig that out with a jackhammer or a roto hammer or something to get you where your auger will turn in there, but it'll hold it in there. And then you've got your carbide teeth. That helps a lot because you don't have to have them, but it'll get a lot more aggressive. The pilot bit is what ends up hanging up the auger a lot of time from digging, not actually the teeth not working. So this will get really aggressive with this stone if we can get this to stay in here. So we'll give this a shot. It's probably a broken pin for this attachment up here. If I had to guess where it's broke, where that pin just came off, it's probably the head pin. So we're definitely going to want to check that so we don't lose the whole entire auger. But it was going good. We were going to get this hole, but I've got to check to see because that looks like that's severed. Let's just get out and see. Alright, we'll catch up on the next video later, digging these holes again. Anyway, that's the tip, to take the pilot bit off for digging in rock.